Good morning students. Today we are looking a next part of a decimal fraction, that is the use of decimal fraction. In the previous video of this we are looking how to use decimal fraction in currency. Now we are looking how this is useful in the measurement of length and distance. In our day-to-day life we need to measure a distance during a travel of a road, then length of any material, and for that we are using a different units, that is we are measuring length and distance sometimes in a meter, centimeter, kilometer, like that. And along with that there are another different units for the measurement of the length and distance that we are learning in this video, how the different units are used for the measurement of a distance and length. Along with that, how the conversion between them is occur, and in this conversion of a unit of distance, how these decimal fractions are used, that we have to look in this video. So let's begin. When we are measuring a distance or any length, the basic unit for the measurement is decided by the Organization of Standard International, that is standard basic unit used for the measurement is meter. This is a basic standard unit used for the measurement of a distance, that is meter, and for that letter small m is used. Small m is denoted as a meter. And with the reference of this, there are different units, that is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. So these are the correlated another units for the measurement of the distance, that is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. So let's begin with the kilo. Kilo, hecta, kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli. All these are the Greek or Latin language words. Kilo, hecto, these all are the Latin language words. And for that, our English language words are for the kilo. Kilo is equal to 1000. Hecto means 100. Deca means 10. And meter is a standard, so no another substitution for this. Then deci. Deci means tenth. So term th as a prefix joined to the 10. Tenth, hundredth, thousand. So tenth, hundredth, thousand means these are the decimal fractions. The tenth means how many? 1 upon 10. Then hundred means 1 upon 100. And thousand means 1 upon 1000. So these terms are read as a thousandth, hundredth and tenth. So, and thousand means we know 1000, 100 and 10. Now we are looking how these units are related to each other. So let's begin with the all the things you have to compare or relate with the meter. With the reference point as a meter, we have to calculate all other units. आपल्याला काय करायचंय? मीटर ह्या युनिटला रेफरन्स पॉइंट कन्सिडर करून त्यानुसार आपल्याला काय करायचंय? अदर युनिट्स कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं. सो लेट्स बिगिन विथ द किलो. सो 1 kilometer, it also can be write as kilometer is write as a k and small m. Kilometer is equal to how many meter? Is equal to how many meter? The same for meter. आपल्याला काय calculate? 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? Because our reference point is meter and we are going from bigger unit to the smaller unit. When you are going from left to right, which is means bigger unit to smaller unit. जेव्हा तुम्ही लेफ्ट टू राईट जाता त्यावेळी काय असणार? युनिट काय होत जातात? स्मॉल होत जातात, बिगर टू स्मॉलर. सो लेट्स बिगिन. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? So count down the places between these किलो अँड मीटर. बघा काय करा, किलो आणि ह्या मीटर मध्ये किती प्लेसेस आहेत, 1 and 2. हाऊ मेनी प्लेसेस आर देअर बिटवीन दिस किलो अँड मीटर? 2 places, that is hecto and deca. So and that is third one. किती नंबरच्या प्लेसला आहे बघा किलो पासून मीटर? हाऊ मेनी प्लेसेस? At which place kilo is present from meter or meter is present from kilo? 1, 2 and 3. So I have to write down 3 zeros and before that write down 1. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So after 1 how many zeros you have to write? 3 zeros because 3 places are there. 1, 2, 3 meter is present from the kilo. So you have to remember that what 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. This is the first unit you have to repeat, and this sequence you should have to always remember, that is kilo, hecto, deca, meter, deci, centi, milli. Now we have to find out hecto. 1 hectometer is equal to how many meter? We have to calculate 1 hectometer is equal to how many meter. Same thing, first you have to write 1 and how many places are present from hecto towards the meter? 1 and 2. At the second place from the hecto meter is present. बघा दुसऱ्या बॉक्स मध्ये ते ना दुसऱ्या प्लेस वरती 1, 2. So we have to put how many zeros? 2 zeros. That is 1 hectometer is equal to how many meter? 100 meter. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. That is, I am again writing here 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. Now going towards the third one, that is deca. Deca means 10. So 1 decameter is equal to how many meter? Because all the things we are calculating with reference to the meter. That is 1 decameter. So check how many places? Yes, 1 place is only there at the first place. After the deca meter is present. So on a 1 we have to put 1 0 only because 1 place is there after the deca, that is meter is present. So 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. 1 decameter, 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. So one set is completed. That is 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. Now what thing you can observe here? If 10, 100, 1000. Look at all these sides. When units are bigger than the, look at here, the units are bigger side, and now these become a smaller on the right side. Now kilo, hecto and deca, when you are going from bigger to the smaller, you have to perform operation of multiply. You have to perform operation of which? Multiply. Check kara. When you are going, or which is larger unit than this, increases 10 times at the every step. Larger than meter is considered as a 1, and greater unit than meter is deca. Greater unit than meter is deca, which is increasing 10. Then after deca, which is greater than meter, is hecto, that is 100, 10, 100, and then kilo, which is also greater than meter, become 1000, 10, 100, 1000. All these are the multiples of a 10. 10 times multiplication is 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So likewise, multiplication operation is performed on the left side of the meter. Now we are going towards the right hand side of the, when you are going left hand side, you have to multiply with the 10, 100, 1000, and when you are going towards the right hand side of the meter, you have to perform operation of division, 10, 100, 1000. So now we are calculating 1 decimeter is equal to how many meter? That we have to calculate. 1 decimeter is equal to how many meter? So as I said, we have to perform a division operation. That is, now check how many places between these. मीटर नंतर डेसी कुठल्या प्लेसला येते? फर्स्ट प्लेस. So we are dividing with the 10. On a numerator side, it is a 1 decimeter. So I am right at the numerator 1 upon 10 meter. And we know how to write 1 upon 10 in a decimal point format. How many zeros are there? Only 1 0. So after 1, we have to put only one place and write down a point, 0.1 meter. 0.1 meter. So what you are remembering again? 1 decimeter is equal to 0.1 meter, or 1 upon 10 meter. So these are the two units used as a decimeter to meter. Again, look at the second one. That is centimeter. We have to calculate centimeter. 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to how many meter? That we have to calculate. 1 centimeter is equal to how many meter? So how to identify? Look at how many places after the meter. 1, 2. At the second place it is present. So we have to divide with the 100. Because 2 zeros, and numerator is 1 because it is a 1 centimeter. So 1 upon 100. 1 upon 100 meter. So 1 centimeter is equal to how many meter? In a decimal point, how many zeros are there at the denominator? 1, 2. Write down first numerator 1 and left the places 2 because 2 zeros are there. 1, 2. So to second place is absent, so I am writing 0, and after that we are putting decimal point and again 0. So 0.01 meter. 0.01 meter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter, or 0.01 meter. Now going towards the last one, that is milli. So again we are calculating with reference to the meter. So 1 millimeter is equal to how many meter? 1 millimeter is equal to how many meter? So again we are calculating with reference to the meter. At which place milli is present? 1, 2 and 3. So on 1 I am writing how many zeros? 3 zeros, and this 1000 is present at the denominator, and on a numerator 1 millimeter, so I am writing here 1. If it is 2 millimeter, then I am writing at a numerator 2. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter. 1 upon 1000 meter. So how you are writing in a decimal point format? How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So obviously we have to put 3 places left from a right side. So first write down the 1. First place is present. Second place is absent, so I am writing 0. Third place is also absent, 0. Then we are putting a decimal point. After that I am writing a 0. So 0.001 meter. 0.001 meter is equal to 1 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 0.001 meter. So after the meter, on the right side of a meter, we have to perform division operation, or you can write this as a 1 upon 1000 meter. So in this way, look at 10, 100, 1000. These are also multiple of a 10 times each step, but at the denominator side, that is division. And in the, look at the table. I am showing a complete table to you. Look at, this is a reference point, meter, and to the right of the meter we are performing division operation, and when we are going left side we are using multiplication. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. Same multiplication is there, 10, 100, 1000, but at the division place. So in this way, these all units are related with the meter. So again I am revising. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1000 meter. Then 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. Then 1 decimeter is equal to 0.1 meter. Then 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. And 1 millimeter is equal to 0.001 meter. Now this is the way the decimal point fractions are used for the measurement of a distance, that is in a deci, centi, milli, and along with the conversion of the different. So what you have to always remember, when you are going from left to right, the units are going decreasing. काय होता है? कमी कमी हो जाता है. So bigger to smaller. When you are going from left to right, that is means you are going from bigger unit to the smaller unit. It becomes small, and you have to perform operation of multiplication. And when you are going right to left, when you are coming from right to left, that is from smaller to bigger, and at that time you have to perform operation of division. Now see how this multiplication and division is used in this method. Now these are the standing basic relation with the meter. Now if another question is asked like this, that is, if 1 kilometer is equal to how many hectometer? 1 kilometer is equal to how many hectometer? So काय करायचंय तुम्हाला? आता कोणाबद्दल विचारलंय? 1 kilometer. So our kilometer is our reference point. Kilometer is our reference point. And what we have to do? We know kilo and hecto, there is only one place. Hecto is coming after the kilo. First place after the kilo. So from the kilo, hecto is present at the first place. Kilo नंतर लगेचच येते first place लाच. So we know when you are left to going towards the right, multiplication. So at that time we are putting 0. So 10 I am putting because किलोमीटर पासून हेक्टोमीटर किती येतोय फर्स्ट प्लेसला. सो आय एम ओनली रायटिंग 0 अँड बिफोर दॅट राईट डाऊन 1. सो 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer. Again, I am taking another example, that is 1 kilometer is equal to how many decameter? If question is like this, how many decameter? So we know after the kilo at which place deca is present? First, second place. So I am writing how many 0? 2 0, and before that write down 1, that is 1 kilometer is equal to 100 decameter. Now if I am taking this centimeter, third, that is 1 kilometer is equal to how many centimeter? You know how this centimeter is written in short form? cm, centimeter. So how many centimeter is there? So kilometer is a reference point. Yes, this is our reference point. After that, calculate the places. 1, 2 up to the centi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, at the 5th place, centimeter is present. So write down 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And before that, write down 1. So what is this number? 1 lakh centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. If millimeter, we have to calculate. If I am taking 1 kilometer is equal to how many millimeter? So how to calculate? Again, our reference point is kilometer. So calculate the places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6th place. So write down 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And before that write down 1. So amount is 10 lakh millimeter. So in this way काय करायचं तुम्हाला? When you are going from left to right, काय करायचं? मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑपरेशन काउंट करायचे किती प्लेस वरती प्रेझेंट आहे. सो फॉर ऑल दिस थिंग यू शुड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस सिक्वेन्स, विच सिक्वेन्स और विच प्लेस विच युनिट इज कमिंग, दॅट इज किलो हेक्टो डेका मीटर डेसी सेंटी मिली. किलो हेक्टा डेका मीटर डेसी सेंटी मिली. दिस सिक्वेन्स यू शुड हॅव टू ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. नाउ this is thing happen when we are going from left to right. If I have to come from right to left, so obviously we are performing division operation. So look at here how this division is performed. Now if question is like this, 1 centimeter is equal to how many meter? That we already counted. If question is like this, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to how many let's take decameter. How many decameter? 1 centimeter is equal to how many decameter? So centimeter is where? Yes, when we are going from right to left, and decameter. Now decameter present at which place? सेंटी पासून किती प्लेस वर आहे बघा डेका? फर्स्ट, सेकंड अँड थर्ड प्लेस. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 zeros on a 1, that is amount is 1000, which is present at the numerator because it is as a division. So we are writing at the denominator and write down 1 because 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 decameter. And how you write this in a decimal point format? How you write 1, 2, 3? So we have to left how many places? 3 places. So I am writing here 1, first place, second place, third place. point and again 0. So 1 centimeter is equal to 0.001 decameter. Then again, if I am taking millimeter, if we are taking milli, if I am taking 1 millimeter is equal to how many kilometer? 1 millimeter is equal to how many kilometer? So how to calculate? Check the places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at the 6th place. So I am writing 6 zeros on a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And with this amount 10 lakh is coming at the denominator side. And write down upper numerator as a 1. And how you write this? In a decimal point format. How many places? 6. So first write down first place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places we have to left because 6 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then put a decimal point and 0. 0.000001 kilometer. So in this way, decimal fractions are used in the conversion of a distance unit, that is in a kilometer, centimeter. So this is we are taking as a reference, that is 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer. If number amount is like this, 5 kilometer is equal to how many centimeter? Centimeter. How many centimeter? So don't bother about this 5. What you have to do? First write down 5 here. And write down जो काही नंबर इथे असेल युनिट साठी तो आधी लिहायचा आणि आफ्टर दॅट पुट अ साइन ऑफ मल्टिप्लिकेशन. अँड नाउ काउंट द प्लेसेस फ्रॉम किलोमीटर टुवर्ड्स द सेंटीमीटर. किलो टू सेंटी, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, fourth and fifth place. So fifth place means on a 1, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 multiplied by how many? 1 lakh. 5 multiplied by 1 lakh is equal to 5 lakh. 5 lakh centi. 5 lakh centimeter. If I am taking the example of division, I am writing here the example of division, that is 3 decimeter is equal to how many hectometer? How many hectometer? So what we are doing, first write down this 3 as it is and then write down multiplication sign. Now count down the places from deci to hecto. Decimeter to hecto. So on the left side of this, hecto is present 1, 2 and 3 at the third place. So I'm writing on a 1, how many zeros? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 multiplied by 1000 is equal to how many? 3000. Sorry. When we are going towards the left, we have to perform division. So on the numerator, write down 3 and on the numerator number is 1000. So how we are writing in a decimal point format? First write down 3 here. Then how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So we have to left 3 places. 1, 2, 3. And after this 3 places, put the decimal point and 0. So 0.003 hectometer. So in this way, you can use decimal fraction in the conversion of a, or in the measurement of the distance, or conversion of a unit of a distance. Now we are looking a Next example, that is already a given number, that is distance is in a fraction, that is if 0.0015 hectometer is equal to how many centimeter? 0.0015 hectometer is equal to how many centimeter? That we have to calculate. So what we are doing here? First write down the given this number as it is. So I am writing this number as it is, that is 0.0015. Now look at the table. We know first is kilo, hecto, deca, meter, deci, centi, milli. So from hecto to deci, so as we are going from left to right, so we have to perform operation of multiplication. So write down multiplication sign and calculate the places from hecto. 1, hecto is our reference point, and after the hecto we have to calculate the places, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 places are there up to the centi. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on a 1, write down how many zeros? 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now perform the multiplication. So if already a fraction is given to you, and when you are multiplying with the multiple of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like that, what we have to do? Simply काय करायचंय, जेव्हा असा फ्रॅक्शन नंबर दिलेला असेल आणि तुम्ही त्याला 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh ह्या 10च्या मल्टिपल्स मध्ये मल्टिप्लाय करत असाल तर काय करायचे? हाऊ मेनी झिरोज आर देअर? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are there. So shift your decimal point towards the right hand side when you are multiplying with the 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So how many zeros are there on a 1? So at that time only count that zeros 1, 2, 3, 4 and shift the position of your decimal point. So look at, this is our position of a decimal point. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 on a 1. So we have to put this, or we have to shift this decimal points towards the right hand side. How many places? 4 places. 1, 2, 1, 2, then 3 and then 4. So after 5 these decimal points come because 4 places are there. So I am writing here after the 5 decimal point is there. So no need to write because here number is finished. No need to write the previous numbers. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 5 because this decimal point is now coming after this 5. So this is not a proper way of representation. So what we have to do, if your number is finished and your decimal point is coming at the end, don't write it. And write down only the number. Don't write this previous zero. So number is only 15. So 15 centimeter. So what is your answer here? 0.0015 hectometer is equal to 15 centimeter. Look at another example. That is if 34.381 kilometer is equal to how many decimeter? How many decimeter? How many decimeter? So that we have to calculate. Or I'm little bit increasing this number, that is 34.6381 9. 63819. Our number is 34.63819 kilometer is equal to how many decimeter? So obviously first writing our given number that is 34.63819. Then kilo to deci. Kilo to deci means we are going from left to right, bigger to smaller. So performing multiplication. And by which number we are multiplying here? Count down the places. After the kilo, 1, 2, 3 and 4th. At the 4th place deci is present. So how many zeros we have to put here? On a 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So find out the multiplication of answer. So how to find out it? काय सांगितलं मी मगाचीच, when the number is multiplying with that is multiple of 10, so only count the zeros on a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thus 4 zeros are there and we have to shift this decimal point towards the right hand side. Towards the right hand side. How many places? 4 places. So before this decimal point number is 34. So this decimal point is coming first place here. Then after 3 is the second place, after 8 is the third place, and after 1 is the fourth place. So decimal point is coming now here. So write down previous number as it is. 3, 4, 6, 3, 8, 1. And now this decimal point is coming and write down 9. So simply, so this is the answer of the question. That is 34.63819 kilometer is equal to 3,46,381.9 decimeter. This is the answer of a question. So when you have to perform this multiplication, shift your decimal point towards the right hand side. And how many places? The zeros present on a 1. So that much places you have to left. Now if you have to go from left to right, then how to take? So I am taking one example, that is 0.0015 centimeter is equal to how many hectometer? So how to calculate? First we are writing the given number. That is 0.0015 and then centi to hecto. Centi to hecto means we have to going towards the left hand side, from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So first write down this number as it is. At the denominator, how many zeros we have to put? 4 zeros on a 1. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So what we have to do? Now when you are going from left to right, you are performing multiplication and going or shifting this decimal point towards the right. And now you have to shift this decimal point towards the left hand side. So how many places? 4 places. Now this point is present here. We have to shift how many places? 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4 places back we have to put. So how to put? Our previous number is as it is. First I am writing 4 places आपल्याला back जायचे आहेत and I am writing this previous number without decimal point. Our decimal point is over here. Now it is going to 1, then second, then third, first, then it is coming. This is first, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth place. So this decimal point is coming over here. So how you are writing this? 0.0000 and 0.15 hectometer. This is quite complicated, but I am taking another example. That is, if 38,369 decimeter is equal to how many kilometer? 38,369 decimeter is equal to how many kilometer? So look at the deci to kilo. How many places? Deci to kilo. So we are going towards a bigger side from right to left. For right to left, we have to perform division operation. 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So first write down the given number as it is. 38,369, division sign, upon sign, and how many places are there from deci to kilo? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So on a 1 we have to put how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now a simple number is there. Its decimal point is always present at the last, after the last number, which is not written. So now we have to shift this how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4 towards the left. काय करायचं? हा decimal point we have to shift towards the left. How many places? 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places. 4 places. So after this 8. So 3.8369 kilometer. So this is our answer. That is 38,369 decimeter is equal to this 3.8369 kilometer. So in this way you can use a decimal point for the conversion of a unit of a distance or for the measurement of a length and distance.